Hello everybody, Thomas here, Free Range Art Farm. Today is April 8th, 2020. We are going to do an inspection on our hives. Today is one day before the 2-week point of installing the hives. We did our first inspection about 9 days ago, just to make sure the queen was out and things looked like they were going well. So today, the goal of this inspection is to check and make sure we have a good laying queen and make sure they have enough sugar syrup to keep their supplies up. I know my yellow hive they seem to be doing really well. They are always much more active than the purple hive. So we'll see how they look once we get inside. I am trying to zip my jacket right now, sorry. I am running solo today. My wife is not feeling well. It just occurred to me as I'm sitting here editing the video that with the COVID-19 pandemic going on, you might be concerned that I said my wife is not feeling well. She works part-time at a farm, and today was kind of a hot day, and I think she just sort of overdid it, so she was a little tired and worn out. She's not sick, she just wasn't feeling up to being out in the heat again in full beekeeping gear and hanging out with me holding a camera. So if you had any concerns, we appreciate your concern, but all is well. I hope all is well with you guys. Stay safe. So I'm going to do the best I can filming, and if I can get my jacket zipped up. So I'm going to start, I think, with the purple hive, and I got my smoker going. I got some sugar syrup to replenish, and my hive tool, Benadryl, and more importantly, I need to put these on, my reading glasses, so I can see if we actually have any brood or eggs. I won't be able to see it otherwise. So let's see how it goes. I will catch you in a second once I'm in the hive. I'm going to start out by smoking the hive a little bit, the entrance and underneath, kind of letting that settle in. And then I'm going to pull off the lid and the sugar syrup, and then I'll start filming and let you guys see what's going on inside. Alright, I've gone ahead and smoked them down. Now we're going to pick up these frames, and they haven't done anything with this outer frame. Looks like they're working on this frame. Just starting to build out comb. So that's good. I don't see any eggs on this frame at all. These guys do not look like they're doing very well. Very little activity going on in here, and I really don't see any eggs at all. I don't see my queen. I do not like the look of this hive at all. There's almost nothing going on in here. All right, well, this hive is, I don't know that we have a queen. We're going to close this one back up and move on to the yellow hive. Come on, little guy. All right. Nothing going on this frame. No surprise there. Looks like they're drawing out a little bit of comb on this frame here. This side. This side has some good comb, lots of nectar. This one's got lots of nectar. I don't see any brood. Oh, there we go. Looks like we have some capped brood here. Got some honey up here in the corner. So we got half of that frame has some brood. I'm not really looking for my queen. Just looking to see how she's doing. Some good brood on this frame. On here. Some nectar. See how the other side is looking. Lots of good brood on this side. Settle. Alright, let's put this one away. Got some brood over here too. I haven't seen any eggs. We got lots of brood. Oh, this is a heavy frame. This one looks good. I didn't see any brood on this frame. Building out this comb here. I feel like this colony is going to be ready for another box maybe by next week. And this last frame is empty. So I'm going to take another look at this frame here. I just want to see eggs. Oh, there's some eggs. Okay. Alright, I see some eggs in here. Right in here, there's some eggs. So we definitely have a laying queen, which we realized with the brood. But she's been around in the past 3 days. I'm going to set this down. Nice and careful. I don't want to injure my queen. Alright, let's get this frame back in. We'll get these girls buttoned back up and get out of their hair. Well, purple hive, oh my goodness, I'm so sweaty. Purple hive, I think, is in trouble. I don't think we have a laying queen. There's no brood, there's very little nectar in there, very little pollen. So I'm gonna have to call up the guy that we got our queen from and see if we can get one ordered in, the guy that we got our packages from, and see what we can do about resurrecting this hive. Of course, putting in a queen now is gonna put that hive, you know, a couple, 3 weeks behind, at least, if not a month. But we're here to try and keep them alive, so we'll see what we can do. If you guys have any comments, advice, suggestions, if you noticed anything that I didn't, please hit me up in the comments below. And thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you taking the time. Oh, be good. My wife will get mad if I don't say that.